Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on the location you are watching Danicom from at the moment. You are most welcome to Danicom channel. If you are new, please click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video you will get in. If you are new, you are welcome. If you are now joining us, please click on the subscription button. Click on the subscription button you see below there, and then share our videos to also educate somebody as well. Alright, those who have been following this channel so far since March 2023, you have been following and you know we have been giving education and other things. All the comments and then the feedback we are getting are positive, and we know you are going to help us grow this channel from time to time. Please, to all our viewers who were asking if we can help you learn basics of programming or coding from scratch, our team has thought of it, and now we are bringing you another section that is going to be purely basics of coding. Basics of coding. We will take you through the HTML fundamental, the CSS, the JavaScript, the MySQL, a lot of things, but we will start from the very basics. You know, it is like building a house. If the foundation is not strong, you can never be assured that the building is going to be strong. And so we are going to start with the very basics, and so if you have joined us for the first time and you are interested in learning programming, or you are interested in learning about coding, I have got you covered in this particular section. We will be bringing you videos, tutorials that covers the very basis of everything that you need to know when you want to go into programming. So in today's video we are just giving you the introduction to whatever we will be teaching you when it comes to coding. All right, so quickly let's continue. Somebody will ask, what do I need to first of all start this coding lifestyle or start this programming lifestyle? Simply, all you need to have is you need a laptop or even a desktop computer at home. If you have a desktop computer at home, you are cool to go. If you have a laptop computer in the house, you are cool to go. But it will be very, very prudent if you have a laptop, because as a programmer and a coder, you must always be available on time to put down things on your personal computer. And so I prefer that you have a laptop in the house or with you always. Okay, so the first thing you need is you must have a laptop, and that is the basic thing that you need. The next thing that you need is some basic softwares that you install them on your computer so that it will help you to start the coding life. And so as we continue along the line, you will get to know certain things that you are supposed to have on your computer. But as I said, today is introductory, and so all that you need to know is, first, you need what we call laptop or desktop computer in your house. 2, you need something we call a text editor. A text editor is nothing. It's just a name, text editor. You use that particular text editor to be writing all your codes and all your scripts at the end of the day. There are a lot of text editors available, The very basic one is we have Notepad, and every computer is having Notepad. We have Notepad++ as another text editor. We have Visual Studio Code as a text editor. We have PHP Storm as a text editor. And so if you are following us and you want to learn about coding, all these things that I am mentioning, at least get one of them. And I personally prefer that you install Visual Studio Code on your computer, because that is the text editor I use for my coding lifestyle, and then I am going to guide you using that same text editor. And so get your laptop, install Visual Studio Code on it, and after installing Visual Studio Code on it, you are good to go. The next is to start coding. Alright, there are a lot of programming languages available. We have the PHP, the Laravel, the Django, the Python, a lot. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Django. So you cannot get all these things at once. And so what I'm going to do is to walk you through from the very basics. And if you want to learn a programming language, the very first thing that you are supposed to learn is what we call the HTML. And so I'm going to walk you through HTML for the next 1 month at least. If you are going to follow this channel and this particular section of my videos, then you are going to get the very basics of HTML. Pick any website that you visit and ask yourself the thing that you have been reading, the pictures, the images, and all the text, how are they structured? That is the very work of HTML. So HTML is just for the front. You get to understand it's just for the front kind of page design and other things. Then we have the CSS that adds beauty to your work and stuff. But today, as I said, this video is just an introductory, and so just stay tuned and then subscribe to the channel. We are going to be coming your way with the very basics of coding. This is Danicom channel. We take our time. We don't rush in doing anything. There are a lot of coders online. A lot of them are online. A lot of videos are online. But is it every video you watch and you even understand what they are doing? Subscribe to this channel. We will make it real for you when it comes to coding. Have a nice day.